Hello, my name is Carrie Daly, and I teach students in the subjects of Advanced Placement Psychology, Psychology, Ethics, College Credit Plus or CCP Sociology, and CCP Cultural Diversity. All syllabi, class expectations, grading policies are going to be housed in Google Classroom, with the exception of the CCP courses. For those, we use Blackboard, which is the learning management system housed through Stark State College. Parents, at any time, if you are interested in having access to any of this information, feel free to email me, as I can invite you to be a member of our Google Classroom, which would give you access to assignments, due dates, and class announcements. Please know that I have spent a lot of time this summer preparing lessons that are challenging yet flexible as we transition back to face-to-face school. I'm really looking forward to working with you and your child as we navigate this interesting school year. Please feel free to email or call with any questions or concerns, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks.